Have you often heard that buy and forget large cap stocks? Well, not all of them. If you look at these 5 stocks that I'm going to be telling you about, these top large cap, very well known companies which have always been seen as blue chips have actually delivered near or no returns in the last 3 years. The first one in this list is Dabur, that has delivered a negative 3% return in the last 3 years. It's one of the most known companies in the fast moving consumer goods. Almost everybody has its products in their homes on an everyday basis, but yet in the stock markets, Dabur has actually disappointed investors over last 3 years. Similarly, its larger peer, HUL, Hindustan Unilever, has in fact given a negative return of 1.5% over last 3 years. Therefore, no return absolutely at all for investors who have held on to this stock over the last 3 years. Next up is not a big surprise, Asian Paints. It has consistently underperformed over last 1 to 2 years with increasing competition and disappointment in the earnings. Asian Paints has delivered a negative 10.5% return in the last 3 years. Let's also talk about the retail space. One of the famous and most erstwhile favorite of even retail investors. It was seen as a big wealth creator of the past, Avenue Supermart. It is also held by the ace investor, legendary investor of India, Mr. Radhakrishna Damani. But Avenue Supermart, the parent company of D-Mart, has also just delivered a 2% return in the last 3 years. From the banking space also, we've seen a huge underperformance from Kotak Mahindra Bank that has only given a 3.5% return in the last 3 years. Now, this is not any kind of a recommendation or the kind of suggestion that you should stay away from such companies. You must definitely speak to your financial advisor to find out what role do such stocks definitely play if you have such stocks in your portfolios or if they are a part of your mutual fund schemes as well.